Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Microsoft Teams messages from Compliance Search, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Microsoft Teams messages from Compliance Search, begin by accessing the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center. Log in using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the Solutions section in the left-hand menu. Click on Content Search. Select New Search to create a search query. Fill in the required fields to define the scope of your search. Specify the Teams channel, chat, or user you want to investigate. Click Search to run your query. Once the search is complete, review the results to ensure you have located the desired messages. Select the relevant messages from the search results. Choose the Export Results option to download the selected messages. In the export settings, adjust preferences for the output format based on your needs. Initiate the export process and wait for it to complete. After the export finishes, you will receive a link to download the results. Download the exported file to your local device. Open the exported file to review the restored messages. If necessary, cite the messages or act on them accordingly. Ensure to document the process for compliance records. This concludes the restoration of Microsoft Teams messages through Compliance Search. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.